mesa ya manga abo aseba kwanira amangana abatungetia gati abo bochori bole mutwe bwa KUPPET nigo bali mu abo baburianga amagani abo abakurigererirwa gati abo nigo bategete obochori bwo bwene no bwasiuku
KUPPET tokubatenga registration goike korwe y'abantu bonse ba JSS babe members ba KUPPET eli tobe eligible wakachikura chibes cheto chiko nacho lakini toba ba registered buna members ba KUPPET.
We want the slots to be equal. We are aware that kuna slots zimewekwa for the people who have served in BEC, of which no single JS teacher has ever served in that capacity. Why? That is discrimination.
Tategete kuboria abantu ba KUPPET iga. The nomination fee is too high. Onyo moe musiyo koruchiri busana. What about mwalimu wa JSS okubodia karugo arwe 150 haiwezekani.
We are not sons of Eresa God. We are in KUPPET by default. We want to ask KUPPET one thing. We are hosted in primary, we are never teachers of primary. And we want to say this, we can never be left out in the authority of making decisions in KUPPET. We want to ask KUPPET, either you admit us to vie and be equal members of KUPPET. Motu anjere tobo ulichikura tuwezi KUPPET because
koru bali yetu kibesa bako na chunga ichiko chi ngoko kibesa chi ya kogara togo chikobolie branch twata una besa chino njanya ko chaga iga kibesa chi ngoliete ngai chire elia kamera etata tomanyenga inki ya kogara buna into abantu ba JSS twa ke chikura twensipi abantu bakego bago chensemo iga bachora na nayo konyara kwa kachikura gente kintu ntoli kwa chiwanja boigo